Okay, you form a circle, please. Single ladies, show us your hotness, your sexiness. Please join hands. Join hands. Join hands. Guys from Father Victoria, please give our bride a seat. And our group, Sir David, please stay here. Okay. Join hands. Big circle, ladies. Big circle. Mas malaking circle naman dyan, ha? Yan, sige, sige. Sige, bigger, 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 bigger. Yan, bigger. Yun. Okay. So, okay, ganyan lang kayo, ha? Nakakita ng talong. Okay, meron tayong props dito, may material. So, Sir David, look at this one. Okay, this is how short our eggplant here in the Philippines. Okay, this is how short our eggplant is here in the Philippines. It's a native eggplant actually. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in between the legs of our garter getter. Parang Glenn, ipitin mo ng okay, ganyan kaliit yung talong ni Parang Glenn. Sige, ipitin na. Sige, ipitin mo ng ipitin. Dapat yung hindi nila makita, ha? Para mahirapan sila, dapat hindi nila nakikita. Tsaka ipitin mo ng pinaka-iipitin mo, ha? Para mahirapan itong mga single ladies na ito, ha? Yan, para mahirapan sila. Just to make it hard for you single ladies, ha? Just to make it more exciting. Okay, here's what you're going to do. Ladies, you listen. While the music is playing, you will have to move around and dance. Just enjoy the music. When it stops, saka kayo mag-uunahan to grab the eggplant placed in between the legs of the garter getter. Now, whoever gets it first will be eliminated. Huh? And then the same rule applies all throughout the game. The same rule applies all throughout the game. Huh? Ganun yun. Alam ko naman, killjoy kayong lahat eh. Kaya gusto nyo ma-eliminate ka agad. Oh, so be it. Pagbibigyan ko kayo pero dapat magunahan kayo to get the eggplant. Here we go. Music please. Master technician. Move around. Move. Yeah. So low. Wala mo nang lalapit. Wala mo nang lalapit. Walang lalapit. Walang lalapit kay Glenn. Wala mo na. Wait. Dance lang. Dance. Dance. Master technician, bahala ka na dyan. Wala pa, wala pa. Wala pa. Nanginginig-ginig ka pa, ha? Okay. Talagang kailangan nanginginig. Kailangan nanginginig. Okay, sige, put it back, you're out. Okay. Kahit medyo ano lang, medyo suwabing ikot lang. Okay. Join hands. Okay, and ikot. Yan. Dance naman dyan. Dance. Pare, ipitin mo lang na ipitin. Glenn, ha? Wag mabilis. Guard, may gulo dito. Okay, the lady in red got it. Okay, you're out. Yeah, put it back. Congratulations. Join us. Join us. Wala pa. Join us. Wala pa. Okay, who got it?